Hey, ow. Okay, here. 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 Who's eating the apple? Yeah? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Here. 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 No, not the whole apple. Eat the piece that I'm... Here. 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 Boy, you're a sloppy eater. Yeah. Here. 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 Eat the apple. Eat the apple. Here. Chew it. Chew it. Come on. Use those teeth. Here. Keep dropping it. No. Here. 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 No. Here. Want any more apple? You don't want any more? Yeah, you do? Eat the apple. Come on. Whoop. You keep falling out of your mouth. Come on. Chew the apple. There, chew it. That's it. Chew it. Come on. Chew it. Chew the apple. Chew the apple. That's the boy. There, see? Come on. Where's the boys? The boys are over there by the door because they know that the cat is out the back there. Peanut, you know he's out there, don't you? Meanwhile, eating the apple. Come on, stop trying to catch the thing there. There's a piece of apple on the floor here by my... Stop that. Here. 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 Here.